If your electrical panel is old, it's not just outdated, it can slow your whole home down. Lights flicker, breakers trip, and it's not just annoying, it can be a safety issue. Your electrical panel is basically the brain of your home. It takes power from outside and distributes it to every room, every appliance, every system, and if it's weak or outdated, you will feel it. Most people don't think about their panel until something starts going wrong. Breakers trips more often, you can't run multiple appliances at the same time. It starts to feel like your home just doesn't have enough power anymore. The problem is older panels were never designed for modern life. Back then, homes had fewer appliances and a much lower electrical load. Today, we have EV chargers, HVAC systems, kitchen equipment, smart devices, everything pulls power, and older panels struggle to keep up. In some cases, they don't just struggle, they become unsafe, overheating, overloading. That's where real risks start. Upgrading your panel changes everything. You get more capacity, more stable power, and room for future upgrades. It doesn't just fix today's issues, it's prepare your home for what's next. And safety matters here. Modern panels are built to handle higher demand safety and consistently without pushing the system to its limits. If you are planning to add something big like EV charger or new electrical HVAC system, your current panel might not be enough. In many cases, an upgrade isn't optional. It's required for everything to work properly. Yes, a panel upgrade is an investment, but it protects everything in your home, your appliances, your HVAC system, your electronics. One upgrade supports your entire system. Most homeowners wait until something breaks, but by then, the panel has already been holding the house back for a while. If you are not sure about your panel, it's worth checking. Few services can inspect it and tell you if it's still good or if it's time for an upgrade. Click the link and book an inspection today. It's totally free.